Ace of Cars.
It's plug and play, then any structural work. There is no structural damage that we can see on this.
Yes guys, welcome back to the part 2 of We Bought a Cheap 2 series. Yeah, this is me on my way to the garage to get an update on the vehicle. Yeah, this part just arrived, so I had to quickly go drop it off. This is Misha, the mechanic, just putting the part on as soon as I drop it off. Yeah, so the front panel has been fitted and aligned, getting ready for painting. They put all the lights, panels and the bonnet together to make sure when they do paint it, it all fits to the dealer standard. Yeah, here's Misha just prepping the bonnet. As you can see, we take all the parts back off once the alignment is done. And now it's getting ready to be prepped and painted in the booth. As you can see, we take the parts off. We don't actually paint the parts on the car unless it's necessary. But usually if the parts have to come off the car, they come off just to get like a professional finish. Yeah, this is the current state of the inside of the car. Yeah, as you can see, the car definitely needs a clean. This tire is clearly sleeping. We got this one and another wheel that we need to replace ASAP. We got Misha to just pop them out. Here's some hard work as well. Just a little roll, 1 2 1 2. Quick thing to the car. 1 2. This is us on our way now to go fix the tires, and then we're gonna drop them off back to AutoFix and get Misha to fit them in. Yeah, we're here now. Quick little journey. Gonna get the tires sorted quick time. Just like that, the tires are all fixed. Now we gotta make a quick drop off to AutoFix. Yeah, as you can see, tires dropped off successfully and they're all fixed. As you guys can see, it's been painted and that. Looking clean. Just got a ring up from AutoFix. All the parts are back together. Now we're just going to do some final checks. We're just going to make sure everything is in order. We've done a service on it, and as you can see, it looks fresh. But now we just got to take it for a little clean and it'll be ready for sale. Yeah, this is the car saying goodbye to the garage. Now we're on our way to get the car cleaned. Straight out, cleaned. Now it's ready for sale. Tell us what you think. Introducing the BMW 2 Series Active Tourer 5-seater. Already you can see the inside's looking clean, fresh. Now it's officially on sale. Yes guys, I'm gonna end this video off now by showing you guys some pictures of the car. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like the video and subscribe with notifications. Also be sure to drop a comment, give us some suggestions, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed.
بالحب اجتمعنا وربنا يحييكم.